Very sturdy. The back is good. We are back. Some of you requested that I go back to Aldi and show some more products and actually demonstrate it and show you what's worth buying and what you should leave on the shelf. Let's start with the flower bulbs. I really think that the flower bulbs here at Aldi are very affordable. It's $7.49 for a bag of flower bulb. Compared to Home Depot, they're going to cost you anywhere between maybe $5 to $12. But here at Aldi, the flower bulbs are only $7.49, and that's a great buy. And they have so many different varieties. Some of the package comes in 4 different types of flowers. So you get 4 flowers in this one bag for $7.49. So you can't beat that. Definitely better than Home Depot and Lowe's. The smaller package is $2.49, so you can't beat that. I got mine for under $3, so that's a great buy. They have dahlia bulbs here. You can see lots of people taking advantage of this deal because it's a really good bargain if you want to add a lot of flowers to your garden, but you don't want to break the bank. They have this lawn chair for $44.99, and it comes with a place where you can lay your beverages. I don't know what this is for, but just take a look at that. Looks really sturdy, and it's from Adventure Ridge, meaning that it's not only good for your garden, but if you go hiking or you want to go to the beach. See, I'm really comfy in it, and it's very sturdy. The back is good. Let's see. Yeah. And the seat is nice and cushiony. Yes, this is for $44.99. Keep in mind, guys, it does not recline. That's the only thing that I would like it to do a little bit, just to recline just a tad bit. This is something that I leave on the shelves. The faux flowers, I've seen faux flowers that are way better than this, so I don't think it's worth $12.99. What do you think? You got this expandable wooden plant stand right here. You can see it in my cart. It says it's expandable, so I'm going to try to see how to expand that. But this is $9.99. The wood is nicely finished. Just expanded it, and you can see it's a little bigger, but this is going to fit maybe a medium-sized pot. If you have a bigger pot that you want to keep indoors, this is definitely not going to hold it up. It's just way too small. If this is going to be expandable, it should be able to fit extra large to large pots. Another thing that's $9.99 that I think is very worth it is this 15-inch planter. It's made out of resin. It's pretty strong. It does have drainage holes that you have to drill yourself. It's not self-watering, but it does look very nice and pretty. This is in gray, and this is in a nice bright teal color right here, and I just saw a customer grab like 3 of them. They have garden hoses for $19.99, and this is a heavy duty kink control hose. Feeling the nozzle, and to me, I think it's a bit cheap. It doesn't feel nice and sturdy. It feels like kind of plastic, so I'm not sure if this would hold up after a while. Again, it is only $19.99, and it's 50 feet. But this right here is not giving me, it's not making me confident that this would hold up years after years. The spray nozzles here are $6.99, and they come in different colors, which I appreciate. This is a limeish green, and they have gray, and they also have black in the back. Now, I'm always skeptical when I'm buying these types of nozzles because they tend to leak, but it says that this gives you 8 different patterns, spray patterns. So yes, and it operates, the pressure is 58 psi, which I don't know what that means, but hopefully it's good pressure. But again, it's $6.99, so maybe I'd give it a try. I really like these garden gloves for $2.99, only $3. You can't beat that. They have the rubber in the front. Some of them have a more shiny rubber, and it's cloth. They have different styles, so and it comes in a 2-pack. So really, $2.99 For 2 gloves, you can't beat that. And I'm always losing my gloves.
$12.99.
For this garden shovel, it has a point, it has a green handle, which is cute and feels really nice and sturdy. Would you pay $12.99 for it? Let me know in the comment section. Aldi has this 4-tier greenhouse. When it comes to greenhouses, I am not sold on them. I bought a greenhouse, one of these similar greenhouses at Home Depot, and after a year it ripped. It did not hold up. The plastic was always ripping, and eventually it did blow away in the wind, but I'm not sure if I'll try it again. But this one has mesh. This is not all plastic. This is $39.99. But if you live in an area where it's windy, I would not recommend this. You have to really fasten it down to the ground or the wind will take it away. I may consider this because this is supposed to be a covering for our garden bed. This, I think, is, I'm not sure how much this is, but this is really cute. It has zippers right here so you can zipper it up. So this is something that I'm going to try. This is a drop over greenhouse.
$14.99.
This is a metal planter with storage for $39.99. Now, I'm not sure how this works, how it's a planter and a storage at the same time. I think you really just use it as a storage bin, and you can use this top part to arrange your plants or to arrange your seedlings. If you're going to get this product for $39.99, you either use it for storage or you use it as a semi-raised bed. This, I think, is $8.99. I grabbed a pair, size 8. This is the only style they have, but look at it. It's so cute, and you can not only wear this in the garden, you can wear in the park. This is something that I would just wear around the city. So yeah, this is so multifunctional, not just for the garden, but just for any other outfit that you just want to hang out in. We got premium rose bushes here for $9.49, and that's almost the same like the big box stores. They look really, really nice and healthy. So I think the flowers here and the bulbs, they're definitely worth getting, even some of the plants. Here at the potting soil, and this is for both flowers and vegetables, I tried to get a price, but the worker did not know the price. So, and she told me to go and check it at one of the price checkers, but I'm not gonna haul this huge bag just to check a price. But I think overall, I would get the potting soil at the big box stores because they always have better deals there. I actually got garden soil, 5 raised bed garden soil for 5 for $10. It was a little smaller than this bag, but you can't beat that. It supposedly feeds for 4 months, and I think it's about a 30-pound bag.
$8.99.
A glass mister for $8.99. That is definitely not going in my cart. That is going back on the shelf. See, this is what I'm talking about. $9 for a glass mister, not worth it. This garden soil was just left here, so I was able to scan it, and it's $3.99 for the garden soil. Some of these supermarkets have plants that are better than the big box stores, but I would just definitely take a look to make sure that they are not dead, because this is a grocery store and they don't have time to take care of plants. But these plants look really, really good. Take a look at the leaves. It's beautiful. And this, they don't have the pricing on here, but I'm assuming that this is $12.99 because I've seen these plants before for $12.99. Now, don't quote me now, but if you are a plant lover, you should definitely check out some of the plants here at Aldi. These are brand new plants that came in. So yeah, check it out if you are a plant lover. We got the solar lights for $12.99. You can see the different accent solar lights. These are very beautiful. They are made out of glass. I like the fact that they are solar generated, so you don't need a battery, but you would need more than one to really pop the space up, and that just fell, so let me pick that up. This is a solar decorative metal lantern. Look how pretty that is. Really, really nice. That would look really nice in the garden somewhere or on a patio. To be truthful, I'd probably get something like this at Dollar Tree for like $5 or $1.25 or $1.75. Dollar Tree has lots of these type of decorations there. They don't have the metal ones, but they have it in plastic. But hey, I mean, they do the same job. So I'm not sure if I would get this for $7.99. Others might, but I like the fact that it's metal. But overall, close to $8 for just one. Nah, I'd go to Dollar Tree and find something similar. What do you think? $7.99, would you get it? It's a little bird house for the little birds to come and visit your garden. I just love these little ceramic animal planters. Look how cute, and it's pretty big, it's pretty deep. So this is something that I would definitely consider as a bumblebee and a little frog. It's nicely made, it's really cute, and it has a drainage hole in it. I could definitely put some succulents or a small little plant. Yeah, I would definitely get this for $4. Another thing that I would try are these 4-pack solar path disc lights for $12.99. Take a look at them. Really nice, good buy. Better than the Home Depot and Lowe's price. It comes in silver and black. And I'm gonna check it out and show you what it looks like. They got this bird feeder assortment. I guess you put the bird seeds in that and you just watch the birds come to your garden for $9.99. They have different types of designs. I like this one better because this is at least stained. See, like the birds just come to it like that right there. It's kind of cute. Put bird seeds in there. They also have the rocking chair, but I didn't see that here. It's $6.99 and it comes with these handles. They feel very sturdy. It's pretty deep. I think it's about maybe at least 3 feet deep. You can see the inside. This is something that is very nice, and aesthetically it looks gorgeous. I love the color. I love the material. It feels nice and soft but sturdy. Yes, and it doesn't look like you wouldn't put like branches in this because it's plastic, so it's going to rip, but it's a hard plastic. It's a sturdy plastic, so no twigs, but definitely leaves and glass clippings. I love this. What do you think? This garden pop-up bag. What I've noticed when it comes to Aldi, when it comes to the seasonal products, you have to get here early. Once you don't get here early, sometimes you miss out. They may not have the products that you want. So with seasonal stuff, you really have to get here early to get the best bargains. Here are the garden shoes, the ladies' garden shoes from Aldi, and I'm going to model them for you. They're nice and soft inside. I love the stripes, the tiger designs on it. I love the fact that it's brown. It's really cute. It has this heel, which is about 1.5 inches. So if you have rugged terrain, I like them. I think they're really cute. They're fashionable. They feel very comfortable. I feel that, I mean, it's not raining yet, but I feel that, you know, it would be protected from the rain. I'm walking on this hard hose and I don't feel it as much. So if I'm walking on rocks, I won't feel it. It feels very rugged. So I really do like this rubber boots, these garden boots, because I'm walking on the hose and I don't feel like it's really hurting my feet. So yeah, I think this is a great buy. Definitely a great buy if you are in the garden and you have some rugged terrain, or you just need to do some work in the garden. I think these boots will definitely do the job. This is the solar path lights for $12.99. Right now I'm just charging them in the sun. So I haven't put them in the ground yet because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them. If it really is very bright, then I'll keep it. I will be able to show you what it looks like during the nighttime. This pop-up bag that I got from Aldi, I got it just this week, is a complete game changer. I love it. Usually before I had to drag my garbage can. Here it's easy to pick up. It's pop-up. It looks really nice aesthetically. Guys, this was only $6.99. So when I'm weeding, I can just weed and pop, just weed and just throw it in, weed and throw it in and move it. It's very lightweight. I can put it over my shoulder. And from what I understand, if you want to dump it, you just turn this part, you just turn it over and you just dump it. You can see that I already have some debris in here, so I love this. I'm definitely going to go back to Aldi and get this another pop-up bag because guys, this was only $6.99. You can't beat that. This is what it looks like. It's pretty big, guys. For the price that you're getting, wow. It's like a jumbo cover greenhouse. There's a zipper on both sides. Let you open it up. And there it is, guys. What do you think? Think I should keep it? This is one of the products that I snagged about 2 weeks ago. This is seed trays, and they come in a 4-pack, 24 cells in a 4-pack for $4.99. And get this, it also comes with a lid. So it's a mini greenhouse for $4.99. I saw that, I snagged it. I went back about 3 weeks later, and these are all gone. So hopefully your Aldi still has these, but yes, the seed packs for $4.99, you can't beat that. And I'm already starting them right here. I'm starting my seeds indoors. I started them a little early and they did not last. So this is a pro tip from me. This is just a suggestion. Don't start your seedlings too early because they become too stringy, especially if you live in a cold climate like myself. Just start it about maybe 4 weeks before your last frost date. And you can see that it also comes with a cover, which I love. You can also lift the tray like this and put water in there. So you can bottom water. You don't have to water overhead, which I think is better for seedlings. So you just place your water in there, just like that. And you put the lid on and you're ready to go. 4-pack for $4.99. I love it. These are the solar path lights. You can see how bright they are. I'm sorry if you can't really see it, but it is bright. Look at it. Wow. I'm going to move afar. I'm going to move further out and I'm going to show you. So I hope you can see how bright this is. I'm going to take it in one hand and show it to you. So it discharged in the sun for about 5 hours and you can see how bright. So this is something that I'm definitely going to get. It definitely is like a spotlight almost. So yeah, this really works very well. So guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener.